Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
Sup YouTube, 8th gen Corolla or Chevy Prizm from the same era. I'm going to show you how to take out the front seats. So I push the seat all the way forward, and then there's one cover right here, and I pull up from underneath, and that pops off. And then there's a cover that goes on like this. Pop that up from underneath too. And then you have 14mm bolts, 1, 2, and then 2 in the front that'll show you undo those bolts. The ones in the front you can just see, one there and one here. And then I like to take the seats out from the back door. So I can't show you that because I can't put the phone down, but that's how you do it. There's 2 posts. You can see them, those big pins. Those go in this hole here, not the threaded one, obviously. So I like to pull up from the front first, and then you're good.
Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.